Here is the Westinghouse air conditioner at Jade's house. Now let someone take over.
This air conditioner is in the backyard of Jade's house. This is a 2001 Westinghouse FSA30BE air conditioner. It has the same size as the Panasonic. It's a 5-ton air conditioner. We do not know the other air conditioner on the left by this air conditioner. Okay, let's check out the model. It's a 5-ton air conditioner installed on September 4, 2001. And now the energy guide. This air conditioner is for upstairs only. Now let's get back to Pierce.
Thanks, Summer. And this is a Trane 11.8 thermostat, and I'm going to change the degrees from 22 to 26. Alright, now behind me is Jade's room. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.